So this is SCT University. There are 10,000 students. Okay. In nursing, almost 3,000 students they have. We have conducted seminar. This is in North. Next you can go. This is T. John Nursing College, Bangalore. You might heard. This is also 400-500 students in this institution. Next. So again SGT, second time we did the seminar over there. Then this is we have done in seminar. There were almost 6,000 students in Rajasthan. Then this Government Nursing College, Hubli, BIMS also we have done. Then Tumkur Nursing College also we have done. Then Bangalore Nursing College. Then Shimoga Institute of Medical Science, we have done their nursing job also, and those are doctors. We send doctors also, we send dentists also, we send physiotherapists also. So all medical professionals we work. Then Ashwini Nursing College. So fifth I told you. Sixth one, Germany is a Schengen country. So everyone, see I traveled throughout the Europe, I traveled so many countries in the world till now. So in Europe especially, you have one option. If you enter one country, in Germany suppose you are working, you don't need any other visa. Suppose I want to go from India to Germany, so many things need to do. But you are living in Germany, if you want to travel Switzerland, want to travel Netherlands, Amsterdam, so many beautiful places in Europe. You want to travel France, you want to travel Spain, Italy, any country, no visa. Take train ticket, bus ticket, flight, you can travel throughout the 28 countries. So, single entry visa, multiple. Then sixth one, best medical infrastructure. Why would I say this? I will tell you. Now you are recently graduate or you going to work in Indian hospital also. Suppose whoever or is doing. So when you go to the hospitals, you see all operation theater instrument, all machinery, CT scan, MRI, whatever the machinery is, all manufactured in Germany. So you see the tag, made in Germany, you see the tag. When you start working in India also, you go. So if you are going that country, those manufacturing such kind of medical technology, if you working in that country, definitely you're going to improve your medical skills. This is important to learn those things, and you work in, it is not about to work permanently also. If you want to work permanently, that is fine. But if you want to work 5 years, 10 years, you work there, improve your medical technology, and you come back to your home country, serve your country, improve our country also. We proud to be an Indian, correct? Correct or not? So our nation is first. But so that's why we go there, learn something, bring that those, implement these ideas in our country and grow our country. Then the next benefits, quality of life. I will say, and Sasikala also will tell you whatever your questions. So quality of life, I will say quality of life. So if you say average death age in India nowadays 60, 50, 70, upper, correct, top floor. But in Germany, usually if you also go and Google it, after this session, go and Google it about Germany. So average death age is about 80 to 100. Means people die averagely 80, 90 years. Means something is there. Quality of life. Because they are focused in their modern technology and modern technology work. They don't work more than 40 hours. And they don't allow to work you also. More than 10 days per day, they won't allow you more. 10 days fixed maximum. Here, our hospital will say 10 hours, do 16 hours, no problem. Correct? No, this is what happening. But there is no such system, so that's why, and you also get time. Suppose you are getting married and those things, you want to take your spouse, that also important thing. So now you are all singles, maybe going to get married in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Then you want to take your spouse, your wife, your family, your parents. Also can you apply for spouse visa, family visa, and important thing is, suppose your spouse or whoever, they also can work there independently. On a basic pay scale, as per the labor law in Germany, 10 to 12 euro per hour. So that also, if you calculate, your spouse also can earn 1,50,000 to 2 lakh every month. So that is the calculation. So these are the most important benefits which are common in Germany, where you can stand by yourself, you can support yourself also, you can support, and you can support your parents. I know this hard money coming from your parents' pocket. You are not a rich people, as I know and as I can see. So you are not a rich family belongs to you. All are middle class and those. So you should know your parents' earning source also, how you can support them rather than taking money from them. How you think of how you can support your parents, not to take money, bring the money in right way, do ideal work, stand with the good position, give growth to your career, become a financially strong, support your parents, support your sister, support your mother, support your brother, because I know one or other, no one is happy. One or other, every family, something problems we are facing, and that is for true. So suppose you are planning to work as a staff nurse in Germany. So what documents do you require? What documents should be prepared? What document you should be prepared with? So if you are a graduate, your degree certificate. First thing, your CV. Anywhere in world you go for job, CV is the first important thing. That everything will represent your profile, your clothes, like this. So you wear your clothes and it will represent you. So same thing for your academic. That CV will represent you, what quality you have, what things what makes employer to hire you, what skill you have to hire. So that everything reflect in your CV, your academic curriculum. So academic curriculum, degree certificate, degree marks card, nursing transcript, registration certificate, internship if you have done, any activities or experience you have done, your birth certificate, those basic documents you require, passport and all. So now in India also, you know, when you are a salarized person, you pay so many taxes. So I'll talk about clearly taxes also, no hide and seek. So in India also, income tax is about 30%. Suppose you are earning 20,000 a month annually calculation, the income tax go 30%. If you are earning 1 lakh, 30,000 government will take. Remaining 70,000 with you. Then if you, so same thing in Germany, taxes also there, but you have benefits for taxes. Now what are the benefits? You paying taxes if you are single in Germany. Then taxes is almost, if your salary is below 4,000 euro, almost 34-35% it will be. If you are single, it may be more. If you are married, then you will be lesser taxes. So what taxes benefits you get? First thing is, if you want to do higher education, you can get into public university without tuition fee. That one first benefit you receive paying the taxes in Germany. Then medical insurance, as I said. Then emergency paid leaves, annual paid leaves, and the most important thing, suppose you become a government registered nurse in Germany, and on your retirement, whatever the taxes you paid, it will reimburse to you. Again, it will come to your bank monthly. So these are the benefits in Germany. So I would suggest, it is not necessary to do, but everyone sitting here, I would suggest you take at least 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years overseas experience. That will boom your career like anything. Even in salary wise also, your confidence also going to build up. What confidence you are gossip doing side, that also will go. When you are meeting a new people, new country, you will understand what are the manners, how to understand each other, how to support each other. That is also important. So I would recommend always you take not only Germany, we are doing for Germany, so we are here to serve you, to tell you about the Germany. Any country you go and take at least 2 to 3 years of international exposure. The best thing with Germany is, Germany we are ready to take fresher also. So that is important. Otherwise, other country if you see, they will ask you some experience also, 2 years, 3 years like this. But Germany now crisis for nurses. Why? Because after COVID surge, the population ratio in Germany is 40-60. 40% youth, 60% above 60 years old people. So they need more nurses. They are crisis. We also need more than 10,000 nurses end of the 2020-30. So we are helping those all nurses. The more important thing here is learn the language. So this is all about Germany, which I explained you. Thank you so much.